Eduardo Daboin Rall was one of 28 detainees that was on a bus of an ICE motorcade in northern Texas, heading for an airport set for a deportation flight out of the country before it dramatically turned around and brought them back to the detention facility. Daboin Rall told me that the guards told him that they were destined for El Salvador. I spoke with him this week from his detention facility, and he told me that he was in tears knowing this and that he feared losing communication with his family. He told me that ICE presented them all with removal papers telling them to sign it, that it was not in Spanish though, that it was only in English, and that it was for the Alien Enemies Act that was going to remove them from the country. He refused, he said, to sign the piece of paper. They put him on the bus anyway. While that bus was en route to the Abilene airport, there was an ongoing federal court hearing over whether those very individuals, including Daboin Rall, were going to be allowed to be sent by the Trump administration to El Salvador. At that point in time, DHS got a call to cancel the trip, and that's when the bus turned around. President Trump on March 15th invoked the Alien Enemies Act to target Venezuelan nationals affiliated with the gang Tren de Aragua for them to be deported. And it was just 3 days later, March 18th, when ICE detained Eduardo. NBC News has done extensive looks into his records and databases, and there is no apparent criminal record. He entered the country legally in 2023. DHS and ICE have only told us that he is a gang member, but have provided no evidence.